Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm.
Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Remove the panel to have access to the air filter housing. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the screws.
Reinstall the damper arm.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.